How to use the Print Anywhere feature in the HP Smart app. Print Anywhere is a feature included with the free HP Smart app for select printers. This feature allows you to remotely send print jobs and check the status of your printer. You can be in any location so long as your computer or phone and your printer are connected to a wireless network. It is not required that the device and printer be connected to the same network. Note: Print Anywhere is automatically enabled on all HP Plus printers. Before using the Print Anywhere feature, you must have the HP Smart app installed on your computer or mobile device as well as an HP Smart account. If you do not have the HP Smart app on your device, you can download it from 123.hp.com or from the App Store. Follow the prompts to create an account and pair with your printer. Step 1. Enable Print Anywhere. When enabling Print Anywhere for the first time, make sure your printer and device are connected to the same wireless network. On your device, select the account icon in the top left and select Manage HP Account. Under your account dashboard, select Solutions, and then select Print Anywhere. Under My Printers, next to Allow Printing from Anywhere, move the toggle switch to On. Note: if you do not see the option to enable Print Anywhere, your printer might not support this feature. To use the Print Anywhere feature, read through the data terms. For Windows and Mac computers, click Accept All to proceed. For Android and iOS devices, tap either Manage Options or Accept All to proceed. Step 2. Use Print Anywhere. To use Print Anywhere, you can be anywhere in the world. Simply make sure your computer or mobile device is connected to the internet. Select the printer that you have enabled Print Anywhere for. The printer will have a cloud icon next to it, indicating that Print Anywhere has been enabled. After selecting your printer, select Print Documents or Print Photos. Then select the file you want to print. For Windows and Mac computers, change any desired print settings, and then click Print or Send File. For Android and iOS devices, tap Print or Print Preview. Change any desired print settings, and then tap Print or use Private Pickup. When printing from Windows, Android, or iOS apps, you may print from any app that has a print menu. macOS computers do not support this option at this time. For Windows computers, select HP Smart Printing from the Printer drop-down menu. Change any desired print settings, and then click Print. For Android devices, select the printer with the blue cloud icon next to it. Change any desired print settings, and then tap the Print icon. For iOS devices, tap the Share or Save icon on the preview screen. Select Print with HP Smart from the list, change any desired print settings, and then tap Print or use Private Pickup. Print Anywhere also allows you to share your printer with other users. Select the account icon and select Manage HP Account. Select Account, select Users, and then select Invite. Enter their email address, and then select Confirm. This will give access to your HP Smart account and allow others to send remote print jobs to your Print Anywhere printer. Note: sharing your printer with other users is a feature that is only available on HP Plus printers and can only be used if the person being invited does not have an HP Plus account. Print Anywhere also includes the Private Pickup feature. Enabling Private Pickup will hold the print job for 72 hours until you or an authorized user is near the printer. Private Pickup will not release the chosen documents to the printer until proximity is confirmed via Bluetooth with a phone or tablet. To activate Private Pickup, select the account icon from the HP Smart home screen and select Manage HP Account. Under your account dashboard, select Solutions, and then select Print Anywhere. Under My Printers, make sure Allow Printing from Anywhere is on, and then enable Require Private Pickup. To release the document from the printer when you are within range, open the HP Smart app. Wait 45 seconds for the app to connect, and then tap Private Pickup Files. Select the files you want to print from the queue, and then tap Send to Printer. If you need to delete any files from the queue, select them, and then tap Delete Selected. Note: in order to have a print job released when using Private Pickup, you must have Bluetooth, location, and access to your device enabled. If you disable Print Anywhere in the future and then wish to enable it again, you must connect your device to the same wireless network as your printer, just like the first time Print Anywhere was enabled. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.